Biological weapons are the most terrifying tools of war because they are not seen with the naked eye, but they kill in silence. They are simply the use of microscopic living organisms like bacteria, viruses, or toxins to cause a deadly disease among human beings, animals, or plants. The idea is very old. Already in the high Middle Ages, fighters threw corpses infected with the plague over the ramparts of besieged cities to spread the infection. But the real development of this type of weapon begins in the 20th century, especially during the Second World War, when Japan, via a notorious unit named Unit 731, carried out horrific experiments on human beings, using the plague and anthrax as weapons. Then comes the Cold War, a period when each of the two blocs, the United States and the Soviet Union, developed massive secret programs aimed at producing viruses capable of annihilating entire cities in a few hours. Imagine a weapon that does not destroy infrastructures, that leaves no material traces, and that one cannot even see with the naked eye, but which makes populations collapse one by one. Because of the global fear aroused by this type of destruction, the Biological Weapons Convention was signed in 1972, which prohibits their production, storage, and use, even if some states are suspected of maintaining secret programs in this field. Among the examples that caused panic are the anthrax attacks in the United States in 2001, when letters containing lethal bacteria were sent, which resulted in 5 deaths and revived the alert on biological terrorism. The greatest danger of these weapons is that they are relatively inexpensive, easy to transport, and easy to conceal. In the age of genetic engineering, viruses can be modified to make them more lethal or resistant to treatments. For these reasons, biological weapons today constitute one of the threats that most worry the international community. They do not distinguish between soldier and civilian. They do not need an army to be used. It is enough to release a single cell at the targeted location to trigger an invisible war. Finally, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like and check out one of the 2 videos shown on the screen.